Hello everyone, and today's demonstration speech. Today we're going to talk about the topic that's near and dear to all of us: how to motivate yourself. Motivation is crucial for achieving our goals and overcoming challenges. So let's dive into some effective strategies to boost our motivation. First, let's start with a brief overview of the entire process. We'll cover 8 key steps to help you motivate yourself and stay focused on your objectives. Step 1: Setting clear goals. Identify specific achievable goals that you want to accomplish. Write them down and break them into smaller, manageable tasks. Step 2: Finding your why. Reflect on why your goals are important to you. Understand your motivations will help you stay committed and focused, especially during challenging times. Step 3: Visualizing success. Close your eyes and visualize yourself achieving your goals. Imagine how it feels and the benefit it brings. Visualizing success can boost your confidence and motivation. Step 4: Creating a positive environment. Surround yourself with positive influences, whether it's supportive friends, inspiring quotes, or a clutter-free workspace. A positive environment can fuel your motivation and productivity. Step 5: Setting rewards and consequences. Reward yourself for making progress towards your goals, but also establish consequences for procrastination or lack of effort. Positive reinforcement can reinforce good habits and discipline. Step 6: Practicing self-care. Take care of your physical and mental well-being by getting enough sleep, eating healthily, exercising regularly, and managing stress. A healthy lifestyle can enhance your energy levels and motivation. Step 7: Staying persistent and flexible. Expect setbacks and challenges along the way. Stay persistent in pursuing your goals, but also be flexible in adapting your approach when necessary. Learn from failures and keep moving forward. Step 8: Celebrating achievement. Celebrating your success, no matter how small. Acknowledge your progress and use it as a motivation to continue striving for more. In conclusion, motivating yourself is a skill that can be developed with practice and commitment. By following these 8 steps, you can boost your motivation and achieving your dreams. And that's a wrap on today's demonstration on how to motivate yourself. I hope you find these strategies helpful in boosting your motivation. This is Shella Francine Garcia from Section A122 signing off. Remember, you have the power to achieve your dreams through motivation and determination. Bye.